If you think that a simple bathroom is synonymous with a doll space, know that you are very wrong. As with most decoration, the details make a big difference regardless of the size and shape of the bedroom. So, in today's videos, we brought beautiful suggestions for decorating small bedroom and some tips that will help you give your bedroom a charm. Inspiration are one more beautiful than the other, and feel in love with the penultimate suggestion of this video. And I hope you don't fall in love either. In decoration of a small bedroom, the harmony of the crockery, covers and metals that make up the room is very important. If you intend to optimize the space, take advantage of each corner or altar place accessories such as soap dishes and towel racks. An interesting tip for decorating a small bedroom is to avoid using strong colors, coverings, and large prints, as these types of designs devalue the environment. Metals have an explicit function in the decoration of a small bedroom, so it is necessary to use the same line of metals in showers, registers, and faucets for sinks. You can decorate your bedroom with recycled objects that will bring charm and personality, like niches made of jars. So, decorating a small bedroom will be a pleasant task, and it will make the environment more elegant and inviting. A charm. Comment down here which of this inspiration do you think would fit very well in your bedroom. And enjoy tell me where you watch this video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss the next video, and of course, leave your thumbs up. Let's stay here. Thank you very much for your company and bye bye!